It was raining today. I like sounds of rain. It's relaxing and soothing my heart. My mom had started gardening, planted some vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers, but I cannot tell which one is which one. It's beautiful to have four seasons. I feel it inspires us and enriches our emotion. These are fish. We don't eat these fish, but we make soup out of them. It's called dashi. I love miso soup or udon with this dashi. This is wakame, basic Japanese seaweed. We have them daily basis. And sour plum is my another comfort food. Now it's kind my routine to see our photos every day. I miss you a lot. Hope we can take photos together more and more.
Try to keep space between me and everybody else. It was Zach that was out of control. Not to rat on my friend, but it wasn't me. I was a good boy.